Pokey News. Trains. Complete disasters in Poketown. You might already know, but you might not know that Poketown is going through some major difficulties. You have weird traffic going on, trains, local crackers exploding. See what I mean? And worst of all, you have weird fan arts like, where is it? You have weird fan arts like this and this. I mean, I kind of like the 0037 one. But this one? Why is Ginger so small? Or even is Ginger? I could not find Ginger, so we are replacing her with Goopy. So Goopy, tell us, are you happy to be here? Goop, 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 goop. Goop, 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 goop. Nope, I'm tired of you already. Hope you get run over by the trains. So we have the coal car here, which should not even be a thing because that train just goes no matter what, and there it goes. And it's going to go circles around me now. So as you can see, this is a legit haunted train. Wait, what? No, train, no, no. What is this? What are you doing, train? No!